Okay, hey everyone, we got some exciting things going on. We are working on a new expansion project. Now, bifacial solar panels allow you to collect sunlight on both sides. These are the Aptos 440 watt bifacial solar panels. We're going to be taking a look here at our Aptos 440 watt solar panels. So these are very big, and these are special panels because they are bifacial solar panels. So what bifacial means is we are able to collect sunlight on both sides. So bifacial panels, they're very exciting because you're able to collect solar on both sides of the panel. So this is the 440 watt bifacial with bifacial gain, so we could get up to 550 watts collecting sun on both sides. So with the east-west orientation, we would have the panels positioned like this, slightly off the ground, and we're able to collect the sunlight, as you can see, in the afternoon and in the morning on this side of the panel. So you can see the back here. It looks a little bit different, but both sides are able to collect sunlight.